Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change parental control on Disney+. To change parental control on Disney+, the first thing to do is to open the Disney Plus platform. Type in disneyplus.com in the URL box after you open up a web browser, and then make sure to log into your existing account. Now, once you're logged into the account, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile icon. Now click on Edit Profiles from the list and select a profile where you like to change your parental controls on. Once you make a selection, click on the pencil icon right under the profile avatar, and this will open up the Edit Profile section. Scroll down and then under Parental Controls and toggle on the button right next to Junior Mode. Once you do that, enter your password to confirm the change and you will be able to turn on Kids Profile. Now once you have enabled the Junior Mode, if you click on the toggle button right next to Kid Proof Exit, it'll make it easier to leave Junior Mode with a simple exit question. You can also change your parental control settings by toggling off the Junior Mode and then clicking on Content Rating. Now enter your account's password to open up the content rating page and click on Continue. In the content rating option, you can adjust the options by simply selecting the content rating options and clicking on Save. So that is how you can easily change your parental control on Disney+. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.